Welcome back. I haven't done like a business update video, and today I got my new inventory, so I just wanted to do like an unboxing with you guys. I wanted to basically add new products to my line. This girl actually DM'd me and she was like, do you have any vegan options or any Russian curls? So I just wanted to, and that was a good idea, I just wanted to basically be like, you know what, that's a good idea. I don't have any other options, especially for wholesale. I haven't gotten new inventory in a while, so let's see. You know, it's always good to get new items. It kind of excites the customer, and also, oh, is it upside down? I think it's upside down. Okay. So yeah, I'm excited because, so I got Russian curl lashes, like the DD curls. So yeah. So that's one style. And then I got vegan options as well, so I could wholesale it. My hands is ashy. Hold on. Let me get. So yeah. So I needed some vegan options. What else did I get? Girl, it's a lot. These are cute. Most of them are more on the natural side. I feel like the trend now with lashes is either super natural. The whole 25mm is kind of getting a little played out. I feel like a lot of people are not purchasing. Oh, I got some goodies. What's this? What is this? Aww. She gave brushes. That's so nice. These are so nice. Okay. So she gave brushes. She also gave a sponge, some glitter. What is this? A head tie? Some other lashes. And some lash glue. Okay. So also these. Some Russian curls. So 1, 2, 3. And that's vegan. I feel like all of this is upside down. So yeah, I'm gonna offer a wholesale of these lashes and also regular sales, retail sales. This is cute. I don't know if you see it. It's very wispy. I really like this. And then some more Russian curls. They kind of mimic like individuals. Girl, I just spilled everything. But yeah, I needed to switch it up. I feel like the styles that I have, yeah, I needed new lash styles. in my inventory. And it's good as a business owner. You always want to switch it up. You always want to continue adding new products and testing to see what works. I love this. It's called Bella. Love this. Yeah, so it's very important that you do that in your business. This one's honey. This is a vegan lash. Very wispy. And some other vegan styles. Another Russian curl. So those are going to be the new lashes that I have. This one's nice too. And then these are vegan as well. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up my lash girls, my lash models, and start taking product pictures and trying to promote and get everything in order. So these lash styles will be launching maybe within a week or two. And I'm glad because I needed to switch it up. I felt like my lashes are a little stagnant, the same styles. I needed some newness, you know, and that's very important. You always want to test and try certain products in your business and see what works. If it doesn't, then you could just try something else. So this is just a small batch. Let me slide here. This is just a small batch just to test and see how well everything goes. Yeah, I'm excited. It's always exciting getting new products, to be honest. I'm probably gonna insert it. I have bought like this big, huge, I guess, what do you call it? A drawer, a organizer? Yeah, a organizer bin, and I got it from Uline. And it's a little pricey penny, but it holds all my lashes. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Instead of putting it in the little tiny little plastic bins, this is perfect. It is a penny. It cost a penny. And to kind of install it and set it up, you need someone who knows what they're doing, because Lord, I struggled. I do not know. I'm gonna show you guys that in a clip so you guys see how I organize and how I pack my lashes. It's still a work in progress because I just literally got it maybe a week ago, so I'm still organizing and labeling it, but it's been a game changer for me because I can visually see everything. I don't have to like dig and find anything, especially when you have all these different styles. It's just an easier setup for me. So when I get an order, all I gotta do is just put a label on it and ship it out. I don't have to dig, because before I had different boxes and I had to dig to find which lash was what. And it's just very important just to have a really organized system. Once you have an organized system, it's not as hectic and chaotic. Yeah, so my camera cut off. So it's not as hectic and chaotic to look for items. It's just easier to pack your orders and to find everything, to keep track of inventory. Organization is the most important thing, and I'm learning that more and more each day. When you have an organized system, it's smoother, it works easy, shipment is easy, there's no confusion, there's no chaos. So as a business owner or a future business owner, keep that in mind. Organization is key, and if you don't have any organization skills, you need to start learning that and have systems in order, because it's very important when running an online business or a business in general. Okay, so I wanted to add new products to my line, So lashes, vegan lashes. I'm also looking into magnetic lashes. If anyone's interested in that, I will wholesale it as well. And I'm trying to take my wholesale system a little bit larger. Only do a few girls, but I think I want to expand a little bit more instead of just doing retail. So yeah, because wholesale is a little more difficult, but yeah, a lot of people hit me up more for wholesale than smaller, like one piece or two piece of lash, one lash, one pair, two pairs of lashes. So I really want to talk about business and entrepreneurship, especially running an e-com, a lash business. I really want to do more topics about it, but I have no idea what topics to do. So if you guys have any suggestions or questions, feel free just to leave anything in the comments and I'll reply and try to create content for you guys. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I mean, I have nothing else. I just wanted to make a short, cute little video of me unboxing my lashes. I'm so excited to just add new products. Do you guys hear the plane? Sorry. But yeah, I'm just excited. I needed to switch it up. I need to add new products. Next I'm about to do is hit up my lash promo girls, like hit up my models, and have them take, have pictures taken and send me the pictures, and then I take product pictures. If you guys want to know more about that and how I do that, I could always do a video about that as well. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to promote, and then hopefully within a week or two I'll post the lashes up, because you want customers to visually see what it is. I can't just show you the lash and it's just like here, you know what I mean? You want it to be appealing. You want people to envision how it looks, how it look on, the style, and compare and contrast. So that's very important, especially when you're launching new products and new items. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get into the next part of my video. Just watch me pack them up, and yeah, keep watching. Here is, I don't know if you guys can see, it's my camera, but here is like the organizer. It's on both sides, it's double-sided, it's very heavy, very sturdy. It can hold up to like 500 pounds, and then it holds all the lashes. So you could also pick it up, put it here. If you guys looking for a great organizer, you guys should get it from Uline. I'm gonna refer everything in the bottom, but it holds all my lashes and I still have empty spaces. Like, this is so bomb, you don't even know. But I'm just gonna pack up and organize my stuff. Just keep everything nice and organized.
Sib.